It's the coolest thing ever.
But I thought my tap dancing dolphin impression was the coolest thing ever.
Yeah, but this just literally blew you out of the water.
What's inside?
Well...
Okay. So what are you gonna do with it?
Yeah, well, that's the problem. I don't really know. It needs a final touch to make it a true masterpiece.
Nuke it!
Could you tell me when my coffee's ready? I'll be in the garden.
What's going on?
Ah! It's looking at me!
Dude, where did you find an eyeball?
I didn't. It must be the atomic power of the microwave.
It looks like it's alive. Did you hear that? He called you Mom.
Then I guess that makes you its dad.
It's Dad? Ah! What are we gonna do? I don't want to be a baby father. Let's stitch it.
Shh! Don't say stuff like that in front of him. I mean, come on. He's kind of cute. Hello, little guy. Don't you worry about a thing. Me and your father will take care of everything.